All right, people, how you doing? Welcome back to Back at Me. How you doing? Hope everything's good with you. I got this 2018 Lexus ES350. Let me double check that. Yeah, ES350. Okay, I'm gonna show you real quick how to replace these guys. The brake pads, rear brake pads. Okay, so stay tuned. Anything you want to say in the comment box? Anything you want to say, put in the comment box. All right, and this is how we do it. This is the passenger side. No, driver's side. Driver's side. My bad. All right, let's get it. First, we're gonna press this guy like that. All right. Now, these are gonna be 14. You're probably gonna have to hold it here. Okay. 14. There. Once you do that one, do the bottom one. Okay. The same thing. All right. All right. Once you remove the bolts, we're gonna remove the caliper, just like that. Now we have two Allens here, and here. I don't have an Allen, so I'm gonna use this one. T30 hits. All right. Because I'm gonna push this thing. One, that's two. They're the same length. Okay. Now we'll remove the motor, just like that. All right. Now we're gonna grab the other head stalk. This is the T45. We're gonna put it here. Turn it clockwise all the way. We're probably gonna be here for maybe 20 seconds. All the way. This is how you do it without the computer. Okay. There you go. That's it. That's that's where it is stopped. That's where that's a mess. So now, just gonna push this piston. Piston pusher. Ta-da. This is a 2018 Lexus ES350, by the way. Okay. Put this guy over here. And like that, we turn this guy clockwise. That's how we push the piston. Push it all the way until you cannot turn it anymore. Retracted it. Retract it. Yeah. You're gonna put the motor back. Just make sure you put it right. If it doesn't fit it straight, you just mount it because it has teeth, right? It has teeth that have to fit in here. So it's okay if you put it like that, then you just turn it like that. Align it with the holes. Push it in. And put back your bolts. All right. Tight it. Should be good. Let me just double check. Because you never know. Oh, that's good. Oh, that's good. All right. Now, put this to the side. We'll remove the brake pads. Let's see. We're going to use those plates. And we're going to use these chimps too. Just hit it. It's going to come off. These guys right here. And these plates. Okay. Just going to put it in the one. It goes like this. Now this. We'll put it like that. Put some grease. Do the same on the other pads. And then we mount them. Just come through like this. There you go. Do the same in the back. All right. That's it. Now make sure these guys, the sliders, are freed. Like they can move back and forth. If they don't, remove it, Lysol, wipe it, re-grease it, put it back. Re-grease it so you can see it. Lysol, put it back. Alright, do the same with this one. Might as well put some grease here too. Now we mount just like that. We'll put the bolts back. Here, at the bottom. Tied it with the 14mm. Should be good. Once you tie the bolts, grab your wire, and it, you're gonna hear the click. That's it. Put your tires on, mount your tires. Uh, you're gonna have to go to the under the hood, check the brake fluid reservoir. Um, but let me tell you this: mount your tires, go to the driver's side, step on the brake pedal until it gets hard. Then go under the hood, check the brake fluid reservoir, check the level. If you need to top it off, top it off. Right? I'll show you what type of fluid it takes. It could be that I want to say that 3. If it's not that 3, it could be that 4, but I got it. I'll show you this. Let's go. Let's get in. So you're gonna come over here, you're gonna step on the brake pedal. Okay, it's gonna be soft, then it's gonna get hard. It's hard already. Pause. Now, open the hood like this right here. You see it? Pop. Go to the front. Open the hood. Latch. Okay. You don't need to hold the hood because you have the pistons right there. All right. Ready? Now here, it's a little bit low, so we're gonna top it off. Okay. This one needs that 4. It's just right there. Let me see. Let me look it up for you. It's in French. Oh, that 3 or that 4, right there, right here at the bottom. That 3 or that 4 fluid. Okay. That 3. Okay. So you top it off. Should be good. All right. Put the cap back, just like that, and we're Gucci. This baby is 2020, right? I thought it was 2018. I don't know why, but it's 2020. Right now, we're gonna start the car. Car is running right now. Okay, and we're gonna test the parking brake, which is right here. There's nothing over there. Let me turn off this light so you can see it. Press it. You're gonna feel the real brakes. There you go. All right. So it's working. Okay. Um, that's pretty much it. Okay. Let's do it again. Press the brake. Pull it. Deactivate it. You want to activate it? Just press it. All right. And that tells you it's working. This one's gonna need an oil change, but not gonna be for another video. 2020 Lexus ES350. Thank you for watching. How to do the rear EPB brakes. All right. If you have any questions, put in the comment box. It's not necessary to tell you what to do with the subscribe button, like, share, comment. You know what to do with all that. Shout out to the subscribers. Love you. Pause. What would I do without y'all? And yeah, that's pretty much it. If you want to see the tools that I use for this project, you see it in the product section. You can get it there too. And if you want to show some love, right below this video, there's a heart. It says, it looks like a heart. It says stance. Click on it You see what's up. If you feel like you want to show some love to the channel, to a stool, not like that, but the other way. Pause. Uh, go through the thanks button and show your support. All right. Also, I have the merch. Shirts, everything for your baby, for your dog, for you, for your girl, for your boyfriend, girlfriend, whatever. I got it all. Check it out. I'm gonna leave it right here. Thank you for watching. Fala your boy. Stu Boom. I'm out.